Hey YouTube, Chuck's here. Just playing with my camera. I'm soldering these little wires on. I'm using a very fine tip. I'll show you the tip I'm using. I'm using that tip there, very small, off a Weller. And I'm soldering on top of the pin, on top of these, and my eyesight's bad, so now I use one of these things. Awesome idea. First one didn't work. I had a problem with it. It goes to a boot screen and then dies. I can't even turn it on at the moment because oh yeah, there it is. There's the boot screen. If anyone knows how I can get out of that boot screen, leave me a message. But the guys at Banggood helped me out and gave me a new one. And yeah, so all I'm doing is soldering each wire on, and then I'm going to glue them up with a bit of hot glue, which I've got here, and that's about it for the moment. I have another resistor bank hanging around here somewhere, but I don't know where I've hidden it, but we'll get to that in another day, or maybe later on today. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe, please like. This is my second board. My first two boards I was having problems with, but actually it's actually my second board I've actually completed. I had a board that didn't go well. I had to drop the temperature down because the pads weren't very well. And yeah, another idea I've gotten as well is on the back I've put that on there because the first board I think shorted that out. So yeah, just be careful with that. Only thing I don't like about this, it needs a swivel arm coming out. I don't know whether we could, someone's built one with a 3D printed thing that can go into there and then just swivel across. Might be an idea. I'd love to see one. If anyone's got one or knows how to build one, just using the parts we've got here and just maybe producing this type of effect on a 3D printer, and then maybe this whole arm, even if the arm was longer, that would probably work. So we can just swivel it across the boards. Anyway, that's it from me, and catch you on the next one.